Hi guys, it's William here. In this channel, on a weekly basis, we drop reviews of products. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, make a comment, and don't forget to share with your friends. So today we're going to be talking about Resurge, the Godzilla of offer. We're going to be talking in this review. We're going to be talking about what is Resurge, source of Resurge Supplement, where is it made from. We're going to be talking about the ingredient that is used in making these products. As well, we're going to be talking about the benefits that you get in using the products. We're going to be talking about the pros and cons of Resurge. We're going to be talking about how does Resurge function in the body, as well as how to use this supplement and should you purchase the supplement. Now let's dive right into this. Now wait, let me ask you a question. If you could know that right tip to solve your weight gain problem, would you not be willing to adopt it? Do you feel trapped, desperately wanting to lose weight? Listen carefully to this review. Hey, one more thing I want to tell you. This review is an honest review. It is not a paid or sponsored advert. This is an honest review. In this review, you will learn the good and bad of this supplement, Resurge. Now, let's talk about this. What is Resurge? Don't forget, this is not a paid advert. This is an honest review. Resurge is a mix of natural products that help lose weight, metabolic boost, immunity system increase, and stress relieving drug. Where is this Resurge made from? That is the source of Resurge. This supplement is made in the United States of America and approved by the Food and Drug Administration (FDA) and Good Manufacturing Practice (GMP) certified facility under the most sterile, strict and precise standard. Think about that. Now let's talk about the benefit that you get in using this product. The benefit is it fights against problems that are connected to weight increase. Anything that is making you to increase in weight, this supplement fights against that. That is a very good product, right? Now, it helps to boost the immune system. It helps to experience deep sleep. Think about this. Have you ever imagined something? Those in the age of 30, 40 and above, they experience much less deep sleep. Due to what? Due to stress. But this supplement helps to replenish that. That's wonderful, huh? Now, whenever you want to lose weight, do you consider sleeping? No. You feel like, man, when I sleep, I increase in weight. No. This supplement is telling you that when you sleep, that is when it works, and that is when you reduce in weight. Check this out. When you think of losing weight, do you often think of eating healthier foods or partake in physical activities? But have you ever considered the importance of sleep in weight loss? Have you? Now listen to this. Research brings that importance of deep sleep to your body. That your body requires to recover. Sorry about that, guys. Helps in quality controlled environment. Made about that. It is made in a quality controlled environment. Made with 100% natural ingredients, encapsulated in vegetarian capsule. It helps improve vision. What are the ingredients that is used in this supplement? The ingredient that is mixed together to make this supplement such a wonderful artisan. I know you know that it's wonderful supplement. This Resurge is made with natural ingredients. There is no artificial ingredient in there. Easy to swallow vegetarian capsule. These ingredients used are melatonin. What does melatonin do in the body? It helps you to sleep faster and experience deep sleep for long like a child. Ashwagandha. I'm sorry if I'm not getting the pronunciation. It's some kind of big word. It helps reduce stress and anxiety and induces a more relaxed state. It helps you to relax very well, stay calm, and all of that. This is very long. I'm gonna put in there. enhances the effects of melatonin for deep sleep. So the first one that helps you to sleep very well, this very one helps you to sleep, like deep sleep. So this supplement works perfectly well, which means that you don't feel anything, you just sleep, and by the time you wake up you just feel like, wow, I'm feeling much better like I was before sleeping. Magical, right? Magnesium and zinc, the combined effect in the formula helps to improve, the combined effects of both magnesium and zinc. It helps to improve the quality and ease of getting sleep, as well as morning alertness. When you wake up in the morning, you just feel so dull and weak. This magnesium and zinc helps you to, feel alert. Argin and lysine, these two ingredients just mentioned, they help to increase eye level in the body, which stimulate the regeneration process that is to happen during sleep. Okay, now let's dive right into the pros and cons of this supplement. Don't forget, this is not a paid advert, this is not a sponsored post, this is an honest review. Okay, don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Pros and cons. Number one pro is it is avoidable. It is not kind of expensive product like that. No, very affordable. So number two, easy and convenient to use. It's not some drug that you're gonna use and you feel now. It is very easy to use. It doesn't cause any side effect. There's no side effect at all. So when you use this product, you're safe and you're okay, right? You're gonna sleep like a baby. It's gonna make you look younger and all of that. It shows the results in weeks of usage. Think about that. So which means in weeks that you start using this product, is gonna start showing results, and you're gonna happy about that. How it feels like when you get something and the thing is working right, isn't it? You're happy, right? Now the cons of one last thing about the pro is this. You are gonna love this. There is no hidden or artificial products inside it. Okay, everything they use in making this product are all natural product. Now, what is the cons of the product? Check it out. The cons that this product have is, for now, you can only purchase it from the internet. Okay, and it will be shipped across to you. Now, if you're a US person, okay, it's gonna use like, let's say 3 or less days to get to you, and if you're not a US person, 8 days less or more to get to you. You understand? It's gonna be shipped to you. Very easy, huh? Now, how to use this supplement? How do you use this supplement? You need to take 4 capsules 30 minutes before going to bed, okay, with a glass of water, at room temperature. During the sleep, this is how it's functional. That how you use. Okay, now this how it's functional is that what, during the sleep, the supplement dissolve in the body, okay, and gives your body the valuable nutrients that are needed for your metabolic regeneration. Okay, now you might be asking, how many bottles do I need to get? It is recommended you get 3 or maybe 6, okay, and strongly recommended that you're gonna get discounts of that. Okay, so when you get that, it's gonna function very well, and you're gonna start seeing results in the space of 90 days to 180 days. You're going to start seeing results between those days. Okay, now should you purchase Resurge or not? Do you want to lose weight? So if you're looking to lose weight, delay aging, you don't want to look so old, you want to look young and live healthy life, okay, this product, Resurge Supplement, is recommended for you. Now guys, this is the end of this review. Don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Now one more thing, check in the description, there's a link right there to purchase this product. Don't worry, there's no extra charge to you. I'm going to receive a commission if you use my link, okay, to purchase this product. And one more thing, anywhere that you see this link from and you purchase from, the person who owns that link as well is going to get a commission. Okay, so using my link, I'm going to get a commission Okay, so there's a link right there in the description box. Use that link, and don't forget there's a discount for you, 3 to 6. Get it and you get your commission. You get your discount. Thank you very much. This is Review Box, and my name is William.